Welcome to Cooking with the Man. This is Neil here. So today we're going to be making chicken tikka masala using Seitan. So let's get started. Let's go over some of the ingredients right now. For our sauce, we'll need 2 tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 ginger cube. So the ginger cube normally I do is I blend a bunch of ginger and put it in ice cube trays and freeze them. This way it lasts long. So I just use 1 of those cubes, 1 jalapeno, about 4 or 5 garlic. So for the spices, you'll need 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 3 teaspoons of salt, and about 3 tablespoons of sugar. And then the mix I use right now is this chicken tikka masala mix that you can find at any grocery store. For this recipe, I only have to use half the packet because if you use the full packet, it's pretty spicy. So you only need half the packet for that. And we're going to be using the Seitan that I actually have a YouTube recipe showing how to make it from scratch. So check the link below. Also, if you don't want to use Seitan, you could still use regular chicken, or you could use tofu or paneer. Any of those options, or whichever one you want, because the sauce is going to be the same. The rest of the steps are about the same. So other than that, all right. So we're just to get started, we just dump all our vegetables. Okay, so before we begin, we have to just dump some oil, a little bit of oil, just to cover the bottom. Alright, so the next thing you do is just dump everything in here. And you just turn the thing on to saute mode. So you just let it for a little bit until you kind of see the raw tomato kind of going away. You let it cook for about 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, so now your sauce should kind of look like this, where it's starting to bubble and cook. So then now you're kind of ready to throw in the ingredients. So you just dump all the ingredients in. Let's add the packet. So remember, I put only half the packet on here. We kind of mix this around. Alright, so after a couple minutes, you'll see it kind of bubbling, and now the sauce changed from that pink color to now a brown color. So now you kind of know it's ready. So now you would just dump your Seitan in. And you kind of just give it a good mix around. And after that, you just turn it off. Turn off cancel. Close the lid. Make sure your thing's unsealed. And then you would put it for pressure cook for 25 minutes. And then now we'll come back to it when it's ready. Alright, so it's been 25 minutes, and I kind of did the natural slow release, so it's kind of just does on its own. You don't have to do slow release, but you can just, I like it better that way. It just gives it more flavor. So let's open it up and take a look at what's inside. Alright, so that's how much it looks like, so we just give it a good mix. And as you can see, it smells really good. I can't wait to try some. So there you have it. It's a Seitan tikka masala. You can serve this with flatbread, which you see right here. I kind of made some fresh flatbread, so if you kind of want the recipe for that, just leave a comment below. You can also serve it with rice or any regular bread or not. So it's definitely a good meal. Can't wait to dig in. Just for you guys, if you could like my video and also hit subscribe, and I'll be having more videos coming shortly.